Welcome to Worldbuzz Bulletin. In a decision that has sparked outcry from human rights organizations globally, an Indian High Court has once again denied bail to a group of prominent activists who have now spent more than 5 years in pretrial detention. The individuals, part of the high-profile UAPA case, remain incarcerated under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act (UAPA), a counter-terrorism law that makes obtaining bail nearly impossible. Despite defense arguments highlighting the lack of a start date for the trial and the deteriorating health of the accused, the bench ruled that the gravity of the allegations outweighed the length of their confinement. The case dates back to 2018, following violence at a Dalit commemoration event in Umar, Oregon. Since then, 16 activists, scholars and lawyers have been arrested, accused of conspiring to overthrow the government, while some have been granted medical bail or passed away in custody. Most notably, Father Stan Swami. The remaining detainees continue to face a legal limbo that international observers have characterized as a violation of fundamental due process. Legal experts are pointing to several critical issues within the ongoing proceedings. Evidence controversies. Defense teams have repeatedly cited reports from international forensic firms suggesting that incriminating files were planted on the activists' computers via malware prior to their arrests. The prosecution, however, continues to rely on these digital documents as central to their case. The UAPA hurdle. Under Section 43d5 of the UAPA, a court must deny bail if it finds that the accusations are prima facie true. Critics argue this creates a guilty until proven innocent standard that can keep dissidents jailed indefinitely without a single witness being called. Prison conditions. Families of the activists have raised alarms over the lack of medical care and basic facilities within the Taloja and UAPA jails, noting that several of the elderly detainees suffer from chronic illnesses that have worsened during their half-decade behind bars. The ruling comes at a time of increased scrutiny over the use of anti-terror laws against civil society in India. The UN Special Rapporteur on Human Rights Defenders has previously called for the release of the activists, describing their detention as arbitrary. In the wake of this latest bail denial, several legal advocacy groups have announced plans to petition the Supreme Court of India, arguing that procedure should not become the punishment. Thank you for watching Worldbuzz Bulletin.